Here. Kendall.
Wow.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Yeah, it says Kendall.
Your name?
Yeah.
I want nothing inside.
Ay, you're gonna put something inside because we're gonna go to the beach. Look, mommy. Show mommy. Wow, show. Show it.
I go to the beach.
Ate ka.
Who's this?
That's mine. That's detox. Sabi niya, why you not put inside? What do you want me to put inside?
Ganda ngayon sa doon.
Why you not telling me that?
Yung sabi niya sa akin, why you not tell me of donut? Kasi bibigay ko sana after dinner nila. Nakita niya na pala. You didn't tell me there's a donut? Kasi sasabihin sa'yo, kainin mo yun. Wow!
I love you.
I love you, baby Kendall. What you gonna do today? Hmm? Huh? Yeah, I opened the aircon now. Because no one's here.
Why no one is here?
Because daddy's golfing. Then we're going later, 4 p.m. We're gonna play with the kids.
What ones they have
Where?
What you guys doing? Sleeping now? Why? Nantok na sila.
How about 7 times 7?
Cute. Wow, cute na. Sleep na, good night. Sweet dreams.
The answer is
Okay, you guys stay here, ah.
Ganun.